Here are my 5 guests. Hello, thank you all for coming here tonight. Tonight I would like to talk about one of the biggest humanitarian and environmental crises of our time, and that is global warming. Global warming is the increased temperature of Earth's oceans and atmosphere, and this increased temperature caused by greenhouse gases and burning fossil fuels. Greenhouse gases trap the heat inside of the Earth's atmosphere, and fossil fuels increase the atmospheric carbon dioxide. Unfortunately, we're experiencing negative effects of global warming all over the world, and these negative effects are threatening Earth's inhabitants. And let's talk about these negative effects. One of them is hurricanes and extreme heat waves. Global warming is significantly affecting the storms all over the world. We feel them more intense, and extreme heat waves are causing more illness and death. And according to NASA, 2000 to 2010 is recorded as the hottest decade. So we're definitely feeling the climate change. Another one is crop losses. As the extreme temperatures harming crops and reducing the yield. And one other one is water supplies. As the temperature rises and changes in the precipitation patterns, affects the amount of the water in the lakes, rivers, and streams. The other one is disappearing habitats. Some of the plants and animals do need to live in cold places, but as the earth gets warmer, in these cold places such as mountaintops or in the Arctic, and these animals and plants may not have suitable place to live in the future. Climate change is affecting all the plants and the animals. For example, it's altering their life. For example, plants are blooming earlier in the spring and they're lasting long until fall. And animals wake up from hibernation earlier or do go to hibernation later. And migrating patterns are changing also. Another one is that another negative effect of global warming is increasing sea levels due to melting of ice sheets in Antarctica and Greenland. Scientists are expecting sea level to rise, and unfortunately some of the countries around the world will be affected by this negative effect. And another negative effect of global warming is extinction of species. According to Environmental Protection Agency, if the Earth gets warmer, 1/4 of all Earth's plants and animals might go extinct within 100 years. And unfortunately, if we lose one species, it will be affecting rest of the species and plants and animals. But it's all sounds so bad, but actually there are some stuff that we can help to, we may not reverse the negative effects of global warming, but we definitely can do some stuff to reduce these negative effects, such as changing our light bulbs, regular light bulbs with compact fluorescent light bulb, which saves 60% energy, and it will save 300 pounds of carbon dioxide a year. Another one is using less water, which is taking showers instead of baths, and turning off the water when we're brushing our teeth. Another one that we can help is the recycle. If we can recycle half of the waste that our house generates, we would be saving 2,400 pounds of carbon dioxide emission to the world. And one more thing that we can do definitely is if we can drive 10 miles less every week, this will save us 500 pounds of carbon dioxide emission to the earth. And in conclusion, truth of the fact is that global warming is at our door, and we're feeling all these climate changes, and unfortunately the reason for that is us human beings. We need to definitely live a world that is livable for the next generation, and to be able to live a livable world to next generation, we should all do this important duty to help the save Earth. Thank you very much.
Good.